And I'm not talking about so judge. That's not Yehovah. When you be tria wo kase de Nnwuma tie. When you obemma wo bia said ye nene yeso abate. As I bring my message to a close, sit down, reflect on your own life. Yeah. He said, he will play back your life for you to see. He will give you a playback. Yeah. When we appear in heaven, the Lord will be marking us, not according to what we thought we did, according to what he was leading us to do. You know, sometimes you preach a message and the message can offend the whole nation. They can talk nonsense all over and all that. You know, that does not stop me from preaching what God has called me. Yeah, it doesn't stop me from doing that. So 6 o'clock in the morning, you have all these people here. There should be a reason. There should be a reason. If the American cannot and your papa go be sorry no num and drive him better now. Truth no kurenkwa. No kureneke dene the tea and sweat. Obi can no kurechira obadwene se ompe wasam. But that is truth. That is no kure. Uba ye makadi ya chiro. Micah chapter 6 verse number 8. To do justly, to love mercy, and to humble yourself. Do justly, love mercy, come down, humble yourself. Do justly, love mercy, humble yourself. Do justly, love mercy, humble yourself. Unya bibi kakra braunwase. Enkasa hantainen shaswa kasa. Bidi enye mutika na miti. Nye hana menda. Menti mingire abeka mentena abeka. No, enkasa sa. Unya mefa ubi free baby. Humble yourself. Braunwase. Because I know very wealthy people how many stroke. Very wealthy people.